Improve your mood. I'm going to have you smiling by the end of this meditation. Hello everybody, welcome to this meditation. This is going to be quick and easy, 5 minutes like the title promises, and it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you're in a quiet, cosy space where you feel safe and you can really just concentrate and escape from your current reality. Preferably you'd be on a soft, comfy surface, but if you have to sit on the hard floor because you can't really get a moment's peace anywhere else in the house, that doesn't matter. You may be a beginner at meditation or have meditated thousands of times, it doesn't really matter. This is going to be guided anyway. I'm going to chat in a motivational manner to make you feel better and to help you get out of that bad mood. So please join me. No matter where you are in the world, we can all be connected in this moment through this video. I'm going to whisper some empowering words in your ear that your subconscious needs to hear. Caught in a bad mood? Can't shake that overriding feeling of frustration, disappointment or annoyance? It may be that bit of work you can't finish, or that particular person rubbing you the wrong way. Long story short, you're in a funk of negativity. Whatever or whoever it is, just letting go isn't that simple. Getting caught in this overpowering emotion and defeatist mentality will affect how you treat people around you, not to mention pollute your day. I want you to get comfy. I prefer sitting tall with my legs crossed, but whatever works, lie down if you fancy. I like to close my eyes, but again, it's completely and utterly up to you. Just get comfy. I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly. As you do this, let the air travel to your belly and fill it. Your belly should expand. Exhale through your mouth slowly, and let your belly move down to its normal position. If you can, breathe like this throughout. Let's begin. To numb and crucially bury the overpowering emotion or combination of emotions you are feeling, you must first recognize them for what they are. An emotion. They aren't you. They're a feeling, a rush at this moment in time. They will pass. One moment it is raining, the next thing you know, the sun is out. So, what is it? Is it anger or irritation, bitterness, discontentment? Emotional clarity is important. So, you'll probably feel this way again at some point, but you will also feel happy, loved, excited, peaceful. Emotions aren't fixed. Now, you need to acknowledge that whatever emotion your mind is transfixed on, it is not you. It is separate to you. You can get rid of this bad mood. As you are here with me, you've clearly already acknowledged this. So well done. You've taken a step in the right direction. You have chosen to take an active approach. You're looking after yourself and consequently those around you. Everyone will benefit from your devotion to achieve mental well-being. It is a surge of energy that has you swept up in this unpleasant frame of mind. This energy has your mind under a spell. It is infecting your reality. Let's prevent this from intensifying. I want you to think of a better time. This may be something as simple as the last time you saw your best friend, or a day trip with your family or partner, or the long cuddle you had with your dog the other day. How did you feel? Picture this memory. What could you hear? Was there a particular smell, taste, feeling? What overpowering emotion filled your body? I will give you my example. I'm picturing my living room. It was dark, but the candles were creating a warm orangey brightness. My mum, brother and stepdad were with me on the sofa. My cat curled up beside me. He appreciated the soft grey blanket as much as I did. The sound of his purring. The smell and taste of mum's speciality, minestrone. I feel safe, protected, cosy. Now for an endorphin and serotonin release. For this last bit, I want you to hold a big smile so you look like a Cheshire cat. Studies suggest that bad moods, in a sense, are contagious, in some ways like a cold. Commonly, avoiding the blues is out of the question. but there are ways to break the spell. Bad moods often occur when you feel out of control, so take control. Take time, however much seems doable, and do something you are good at, something that makes you happy, excited, perhaps proud. Watching television has become synonymous with relaxation. Whilst it can be a good form of escapism, it is unlikely that watching an episode of Friends is going to make you feel in charge. I like to draw, write, or research pretty much anything to learn something new. But that is just me. No matter how weird and wacky your interests are, if they make you bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, do them. Hello everybody. I hope you're feeling relaxed and a bit better. I'm glad you've just taken a moment to just sit with your thoughts and not act irrationally on those thoughts. Choosing to meditate when you are in a bad mood is such a wise and good thing to do, because it means you're not going to be acting out anger on other people or creating problems for yourself. So well done for doing that. Also, can you let me know in the comments what you do, what your hobbies and interests are, your passions are, because I'd love some inspiration. As I said, I do like research and I like to draw and write and stuff, write for these videos. That's actually a massive coping mechanism for anxiety and bad moods and yeah, all of that for me. So I'd love to know what you do, because the more the better. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave my channel a subscribe, or you liked or shared it on your Instagram maybe. Every Wednesday I do videos like this, meditations, to make you feel empowered in some way, shape or form. The things that I like to talk about I think are important to have in our head and our subconscious to hear. I think it's important that we're constantly training our subconscious. So yeah, meditations every Wednesday. I'd love it if you actually commented down below and told me about some of the things you've been struggling with, because I write these when I need help. Can you hear my brother going? Luca, please stop humming. So basically, I was in a really bad mood when I started writing the script for this, and it helped me get out of the bad mood. Obviously, I had the personal experience and I knew what I needed to hear. So yeah, it'd be really great to hear what you guys struggle with, because it might give me inspiration to write a meditation to help you on that matter. Every Friday I do a chatty video about veganism or feminism, so kind of female empowerment or taboo topics, or just a lot of random stuff, but I like this kind of chatty vibe. Don't know if you're getting that now. But I like to just chat about why we are the way we are. I like to talk about systems in our society and how that affects us. I'm a very curious person, so if you want to watch me talk about my curiosities, then Friday is the time to do that. I hope this quick and easy guided meditation has helped you get rid of that bad mood. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, as I said before. The one thing I'd appreciate the most is if you commented and just let me know if this was constructive, or you know, what bits you particularly liked, because I just love to hear. And if you've got any improvements, I'm so open to that. So please let me know. I just want to have conversations. Stay safe and stay smiling. Bye.